In the rolling green hills of Los Feliz, Los Angeles, the Moore House stands as an example of how a mid-century architectural icon can be revived without losing its original identity. Originally designed by Craig Elwood in 1965, the house was restored by Woods plus Dangaran with a sensitive approach and respect for its history. The restoration process began with understanding the essence of the original design, a single-story residence with an elongated form, bold horizontal lines, and a strong connection between the interior and the surrounding landscape. Woods plus Dangaran chose not to alter the basic form of the house, but instead refined the proportions, circulation flow, and architectural details to better align with the needs of modern living. The exterior facade was updated using materials that remain true to the modernist identity. Redwood paneling was precisely replaced to maintain the original appearance, while the large glass system was updated with modern glazing technology for greater thermal efficiency. This restoration strikes a balance between visual nostalgia and contemporary building performance. Entering the interior, the natural material palette immediately takes center stage. The use of Burmese teak, refined brass accents, black granite, and earth-toned ceramics creates a warm, elegant, and timeless atmosphere. Woods plus Dangaran ensured that every interior detail, from texture choices to surface finishes, conveys a harmonious and refined spatial quality. The main public spaces, living, dining, and kitchen, are positioned at the center of the house's floor plan as a flowing, seamless social space. With an open plan concept, this area feels spacious despite the house's relatively compact size. Custom furniture and mid-century modern elements combine to enhance its character, creating an atmosphere that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. At one end of the floor plan, the first bedroom is designed as a private space with a strong connection to the outdoor landscape. Soft lighting from large glass openings, natural materials, and precise built-in storage make this space feel like a tranquil retreat. Woods plus Dangaran maintains visual simplicity while providing modern comforts that blend with the home's original character. On the opposite side, the second bedroom is positioned to ensure maximum privacy for its occupants. Similar design principles apply, but are adapted to the light orientation and spatial context. Warm materials, natural light, and the neat integration of storage create an efficient and elegant space, emphasizing the quality of private spaces that balance with the overall aesthetic of the home. the experience of moving toward the rear of the house is made even more poetic. A teat bridge crosses a koi pond retained from the original design, leading residents to a tranquil backyard before entering the interior. This transitional element emphasizes Woods plus Dangaran's philosophy that the spatial journey should be experienced in layers, from landscape to courtyard and then to interior, creating a subtle and memorable spatial rhythm. Ultimately, the Moore House is a shining example of how renovation can revive architectural heritage without compromising its original integrity. Woods plus Dangaran successfully blends mid-century modern aesthetics with contemporary comfort, creating a residence that is elegant, relevant, and timeless in today's design context.